Hey everybody, welcome to Gamecast Garage. Welcome back to Gamecast Garage if you've watched our videos before. Today, gonna be a quick video, hopefully. I'm gonna show you how to install sway bar end links on a 2008 Chevy Silverado, two-wheel drive. Um, Nothing too fancy, super quick, super easy. So let's get into it real quick. I'll go over the tools real quick too. Like I said, super easy. I mean, this is the part. It's got one bolt on top, and then this design doesn't have a nut on the bottom. It just says it's really, I mean, I guess it still kind of is a nut, but this one right here, which is just kind of like the size. So you'll probably need like a giant pair of pliers for that because it's bigger than a 1 1/8. So I don't think you'll be able to get a socket on there. So if you have an adjustable, that'll probably do the job. Or some vice grips or a bigger pair of pliers. But other than that, this one, it's 9/16. I'm going to try to use a ratchet, but I'm going to bring a wrench down there just in case. Um, so let's get going. Okay, this is the guy. This whole thing right here. As you can see, they're not supposed to come off like that. They're supposed to be pretty secure on there. Mine have been through a lot of stuff, evidently. So, all we're gonna do, put a ratchet on the bottom, put a wrench on top. This one is bigger. This top nut is bigger than a 9/16 that I told you about earlier, so just be aware of that. It might be bigger for you as well. I have a 17 on there now. And I believe I'm getting pretty lucky and this is coming out. I'll honestly be shocked. If my hand wasn't there's a lot of slack on top, which is why this takes forever. There's a lot of stud popping through, so and then once you get to the end, it gets a little tougher probably because there's rust and grime and all that kind of stuff on the tip of the stud. Or the bolt, I guess, because it is just one really long bolt. That's about all it is. We good yet? Nope, absolutely not. Okay. Oh, I was 2 cranks away. Okay, and that's the old one out. Now all we gotta do is put the new one in, and I'll show you how to do that too, because there's a process, because it's gotta go in like that. It's gotta be bushings on both sides of the metal on both sides. So let's it's also important to remember how these are, because they're not the same in-wise and stuff like that, because it's important to know. So we're going to undo this, have a little bit of that, undo that, have a little bit of that. This middle bar, this guy, up, in, over, on, here's where it all falls apart. Because it's new. Because it's so new that we're gonna have to move the sway bar a lot of the time. But luckily, we are good here. So now all we're gonna do, tighten this bad boy up. Hopefully only use one side of this, you think? Didn't think so, but it's alright. Okay, yep. Sure can. Just crank her down here. I did it until I felt comfortable. I don't know the spec on it or nothing like that, unfortunately for you guys. I was always taught just to crank her down. But the bushing's compressed a bit. It's straight. It's tight for sure. So that's pretty much it. Not gonna lie. That's all. You can see that's pretty much it. There's the remnants of the old stuff. Pretty much just some worn out bushings. This plastic, if you get the cheaper version of these, I got these Duralast Gold sway bar links. If you get the cheaper version, I don't think it comes with this, so you might have to save this for the new one. But that's it. Just do the same thing to the other side, and you got yourself some new sway bar end links. Now, that's going to be the same for at least all 2008, 2014 Silverados. Two-wheel drive, I believe, four-wheel drive, 1500, 2500. I think it's also for like the 2000 to 2007 and a half. I'm pretty sure they're all the same because they all use the same sway bar design. If you're looking for a different vehicle, gonna kind of be similar, but the part is gonna look different. It's just two nuts on both sides. Take them off, take it out, put a new one in. It's pretty much the same thing on almost all vehicles. Super easy, super quick. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. If you found this helpful, subscribe if you want to. I hope to post more than once a year. That'd be kind of sick. But yeah, other than that, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. While you're down there too, quick tip, if you want to, grease your front end while you're down there. Look at your ball joints, look at your tie rod ends. I'm about to too. I'm about to, just bought a grease gun and some grease. Gonna go down there because I'm hearing some squeaking. But yeah, I'm gonna go do an oil change, grease my front end. We'll be ready-o. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. You guys have a nice day.